welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on family legacy, or Emzini the family legacy, from the 6th to the 10 of July 2026 on Monday. Banyaza's rage escalates after losing hope, and Rorisang confront Lerato with a decisive ultimatum. Zigote's silent strategy collapses amid rising tension at Emzini on Tuesday. Bayaza finally stopped fighting the verdict and start planning the unthinkable, pulling Aaron into a deadly choice that could destroy both of them. On Wednesday, Rorisang walks back into Emzini with her head high, and the staff makes it clear where their loyalties now lie, leaving Lerato isolated and furious on Thursday. Lerato's jealousy spirally as Bandile leans harder into Rorisang's idea, pushing Lerato to remind the commune gang exactly how much power she thinks she has on Friday. Duduzile finally snaps and takes deadly action against Uzakele, while jealousy at Emzini explodes into a full-blown brawl between Lerato Kanyeke and Rorisang. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.